Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write a law case study for CMA and TER. First, carefully read the case to grasp all the facts. It is crucial to understand the entire scenario presented. Identify every party involved and their specific roles within the case. Also, make sure to note down all significant events and their sequence to build a clear timeline. This foundational step ensures you have a complete picture before proceeding. Next, you need to pinpoint the exact legal issues at hand. What are the central questions the case is asking you to resolve? Once identified, recall all the relevant legal provisions, sections, and rules that apply to these issues. For instance, if it is a contract law case, think about offer, acceptance, and consideration. Citing specific sections of applicable acts is vital for a strong answer. Now, it is time to apply the law to the facts. This is where you connect the legal provisions you have identified with the specific details of the case. Analyze how these laws affect the positions of the different parties involved. Consider discussing any relevant legal precedents or similar case outcomes that could support your analysis. This step demonstrates your understanding of legal application. Finally, you will craft a clear and concise conclusion. This should summarize your analysis and provide a definitive answer to the legal questions posed. Offer a reasoned opinion or practical advice based on your application of the law to the facts. Ensure your conclusion directly addresses the original question, leaving no ambiguity. A strong conclusion ties everything together effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.